As most of you guys already know, I have this 1995 RM125 dirt bike project that I'm currently been working on all winter, and I'm finally about to have all the parts for it in like a week. And this thing's about to be running again pretty soon. It's gonna be a nice video just to rip this thing on a track. But this thing has plenty of issues. Sadly, somebody sheared off a bolt inside the frame right here, and I tried using JB Weld, but that just didn't work. After days of trying to pull that thing out, twist it out with pliers, using JB Weld, and just everything I could try to think of, twisting a bolt on the other side, ended up stripping out the threads on the other side too. Nothing ended up working, and that bolt was just still stuck in there. With no idea what to do next, I saw a video of someone welding and decided to go out and get myself my own welder. So in this video, I'm basically just going to learn how to weld, and you can bully me for how bad my welder is about to be. The welder I got is but the welder I got is a titanium easy flux 125. It's like the most beginner welder you could possibly get, and hopefully I don't have too much trouble trying to weld this thing. But pretty much I'm just going to be trying some work on some random pieces of scrap, and then probably tomorrow or some other day I'm going to go ahead and weld a nut onto that bolt and twist it off hopefully. And then, of course, you need a good welder's helmet, so I just got this little mask thing. It was like 30 bucks. Try to save as much money as possible. In total, it was about $220 for all this with tax included. Got all this at Harbor Freight, so if you're looking to get a welder yourself, go ahead and head over to Harbor Freight. First, let's get a wire brush and the scrap metal I'm going to be using. Alrighty, tripod is out. Got some of these random little metal mount things that I'm going to use. That's all we really got right now for me to practice on. I got two things here. I'm just going to use this wire brush I got and try to get a lot of the paint off so I can ground out that, and then also just, I got to have it ground, bare metal for that to actually stick as well. And then those are my nice welding gloves that I got. 40 bucks, got them at Lowe's. Alrighty, got the light set up. Got this stuff all the paint sanded down on this one to what I need to, and then most of the paint sanded down on this one for bare metal so we can weld. So let's see how this goes. Let's plug the welder in. Turn it on. And you want to crack the window. Gloves. Alright. This one lock, I guess. Alright, let's see how bad this is gonna be. Oh, scared. Very scary. There goes nothing. I'm gonna put a mask on. Ooh. A little bit better. All right. Wrong. actually got a little bit better, I'm not gonna lie. Let's show you how bad my welds are. This is what they're looking like. Not too good, but they are progressing. Let's try this again. Well, it's alright. That was actually not bad. That was actually a really good one. It's just brown. That was actually kind of decent. Now, take a look at this. It's looking pretty tough. Yeah. At Auto Body, when they were showing us how to weld, they grabbed the weld piece when I was on the ground. Just felt like it. Try this again. Yeah, that turned out weird. Okay. Try this again. I need it a little bit quicker. Way too hot now. Yeah, it's too hot. Bring it down. What y'all think of that? Ooh, it's blue on the other side. That's cool looking. Oh, my sister's here. Alrighty then. Let's try wire reeling this some more. so powdery. It always comes out like dirt after I get it. It looks like it's covered in dirt. But the welds are getting a little bit better. Alrighty, well, I gotta put everything away now. I just got yelled at by my father because I can't be out here too late, I guess. But this is what my last weld was. If any of you guys have any idea why it keeps on coming out as like this brown color right on here and stuff, like right after I lay the weld, it gets like all that brown powder on there. But I don't know what to do about that. If you guys know any idea of what I'm supposed to do and how I'm supposed to fix all those little like little ball things that are around there all over. This is what my settings are now. But I'm completely lost. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, how I'm doing for first time welding. I think I'm doing okay, honestly. But for example, look at this one. It was like pure metal before, and now it looks like it was rusted really bad. I don't know why. Let me know in the comments. I got a window and a door open over there to ventilate the garage a little bit quick, but yeah. So pretty much I just got to leave this thing cool. It's been cooling for a few minutes, so I can shut it off now. Back here. But it's all done, so I'll just show you guys what it looks like in here. Setup, and then that's the spool wire that I got in there. Spool wire was like 25 bucks, so not cheap. I just unplug this, and yeah, now I can put this somewhere in the garage, out of the way. I'm just gonna go ahead and toss this stuff here. And overall, the welds will probably be good enough just to get a nut on there for the bolt. But I want to get them looking a little bit better, since I do want to be pretty good at welding. But yeah, if you're watching this and you got a welder, let me know what kind of welder you got and how good this welder is. I think it's a decent welder. I've heard a lot of good things about it. But it was like 150 bucks if you're looking to buy one yourself. Harbor Freight. And I got the mask there too for 30 bucks. Gloves, I got at Lowe's again. They were like $41. So that's the cheapest setup probably you can get for like decent stuff for working with like welding and stuff. But yeah, this is definitely pretty fun. I would have been out here for probably another hour if I didn't have to go inside so my sister could put the car away. But yeah, so as always, thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also make sure you hit the like button down below the video. Help support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this and stuff on dirt bikes. Make sure you hit the bell and turn on post notifications so you know when I put out a new W video. Thanks for watching the video. Peace.